Well, going up on this out, you guys. So today is Monday, February 28th. Can't believe February come to an end like that. However, today's video is going to be from dancehall artist Mr. Vegas. He's not pleased with the promoter that BET choose, or they had the little reggae concert thing. You can see it on Pinkwall GMG Tropics. You can look it up even here on YouTube. And he's saying he's using the same set of people from 40 years because of preference. This is his take on it.
Yeah. You not hear me now? Saludos, Antonio. I'm enough for now hear me now. You see? Check. Sound, when I get sound. I'm enough when I get sound. Alright. So you are going. You seen a dancehall? You see when anything happening? Or when the project them are going, or when the events them are going? When them reach out to certain people to put on the event them, I don't notice some artists don't get on it. Just notice over the years when certain people are coordinate or produce the event them, when anybody from the international world want to get Jamaican artists to be a part of anything, notice some artists don't get on it. You notice that? It is by design. You see? Once in them clique, once them are your artists and them are film artists and you want a friend, once them not like you, your music don't speak for itself. Doesn't speak for itself. Them blacklist you. Them put them friend them and then put who them I work with on all of the event them. You see? It's just ironic say certain artists not get on certain things when them a produce a thing them. It's just funny, it's weird, right? Notice when them a produce a thing them, certain artists not get on, like Tanya Stevens them not get on, Vegas not get on, certain man not get on. You see what I say? When them a produce a thing them. I've been in situations where people reach out to me and all of a sudden the people will link me again. And when I check a stack, who I produced the event? I realize who I produced the event. I say, oh, I understand what I go on. See? The other day Versus go on in New York, the people them reach out to me. Right? After me do the Cardi B show, them reach out to me and ask me if me available. All of a sudden I realize how the people them link me back. When I look who I produced the event, the people them, yeah? Reach out to them to produce the event. Anytime them I produce the event them, Vegas and certain people don't get on. Listen to me. One thing you know. One thing we have to understand. When you can say what you want to say and people can buy it to themselves. But one thing I know say. I not dead left or right and don't make you know say. Some people in other industry are devil. That I want to know. You see? All the way for dead and left the earth. I never talk my truth. Some people on the earth are devil. In the music business some people are devil. And the people them are foreign. When you are putting on an event, the international media, television, whatever entity. When you have artists, when you don't want to work with artists from Jamaica, stop reaching out to one person. Y'all reaching out to the same person for the past 20-25 years. Y'all reaching out to the same person. And this is serious. Right? So you keep rotating the same faces then. You understand what I'm saying? Nothing wrong with that if you don't want to use. Who don't want to use, you know. But something wrong with it when you give somebody the project to run and them only use who them want to use. Is that whole difference that? You see? Is that whole difference that, you know? It's not like you people calling and say you want such and such, you know. And even when you call and say you want such and such a person, them tell you the person not available, them tell you the person is difficult to work with, them tell you all manner of things. You see? Like the other day they called me to do the fame event. And all of a sudden I hear that Mr. Vegas is that troublemaker, is going to come and curse on the stage and all of them things. I say, me? I'm one of the easiest artists in the world to work with. And every promoter that work with Vegas know that I'm one of the easiest artists in the world to work with. And when I go on the stage, I get 100%. I come on social media, I chat shit. But when I go on the stage, I give it 100%. I've never gone to an event and caused any problems with any promoter. Every promoter I work with want to work with me again. Every promoter. You see? Every promoter asks any promoter that work with Vegas. I come, I don't worry about rooms and this and that and all kind of things. I just say, give me my nice room. I'm a good. Me no problem. I'm go buy my food myself. Me no play no celebrity role. Me no disrespect promoter. Event no work. Me say, yo, everything good. We'll try again next time. You see? Every promoter that work with Vegas over the years know that Vegas is not a troublemaker when it comes down to the business part of this. You understand? I go, I do my work, I do my job. You see? Yeah. But because I'm on social media and I'm very vocal on social media, them use that to point out to people when people reach out to get Jamaican artists. Oh, don't work with that one. Don't work with that one. He's going to give problems. Lie. The devil is a blood clot liar. Lies. You see? So, you people overseas and are trying to work with Jamaican artists, stop reaching out to one bumbleclad person. You've been reaching out to the same person for the past 40 years. For the past 30, 25 years, the same person, the same person, the same person. Reach us now. We check our social media. Direct message. You understand? Send us. We manage ourselves. Nobody in a blood clot manage we. See? Reach out to us. When you're putting on your projects, reach out to us. We will see your message in our inboxes. See? And stop let them blood clot blacklist with. Fuck out of here. It's a new day. It's a new era. Technology. Black out some of them. Them still just a hold on by a blood clot thread. Remember that. You think you can stop bumbleclad music and greatness? Eh? You can't stop greatness. Go and push up on a blood clot phone of people them when the people them reach out to work with Jamaican artists. If them reach out for artists to do feature, you don't put on phone of people them. You see? You don't want to do what is best for the music. You don't want the people them see some new faces and see some real performer and them something there too. I want to friend them, you don't want to push up all the time. All the time, you know. No man, people. If y'all want to work with Vegas, stop link up these motherfuckers. Reach me in my DM. I check my DM message, me manage my blood clot self.